Well, hello YouTube, this is Revell RMS. I'm doing something a little different today. Today I'm just going to do a little review, going back on an old hobby here. I'm doing a little review of a model kit. This is the RMS Olympic by Revell, 700 scale. And basically just do a little comparison, let's say, well, no, I'll say with the of Revell kits that I've had in the past, because I do have a few. Right. There we go. For starters, I have opened a couple of bits, but only large pieces, for example. Whole pieces. Yeah. Right. Obviously, this is, obviously, with the standard kit you get, obviously, this one's a little bit smaller, so I have to get another one in the scale, and maybe a third, because I've got the Britannic up there. I was like, again, in 570. Oh, I'll say, but saying that, just looking at detail on this is actually rather nice. I also like the let's say if I do the internal ribbing here, basically just give it a bit more strength, because basically, I found with the let's say the large scale kits, basically it's a bit bendy in the middle. Actually, I'll show you an example. If I can get the unfinished Britannic out of here. There we go. There we go. Unfinished Britannic. This is again. This is the 570 scale. Again, it's unfinished. Yeah, need loads more lifeboats for this. Right. Side details actually pretty much the same. But saying that though, we do have a few other bits, and obviously a couple of weak spots. I think that's actually a moulding flaw right there, but. I'll say, that's what I mean, it does get a little bit of flex in the middle, which obviously leads to breaking. Right, rear bridge. Yeah, there you go. Right. But saying that, what surprises me is actually the detail on the rest of the ship. Obviously, I haven't got this out in the bag yet. Just give me a second there. Right, obviously I'm not going to take off the sprues here because I haven't started this yet. And if basically just if my camera allows it, if it'll focus, I'm excited to have a look at the detail. Maybe this camera isn't that good considering. But saying that though, the detail, describe the detail here. I say the detail is actually rather sharp and rather crisp. It's actually pretty well considering this scale. I'm going to say it also has a few details which are actually missing on the normal kit. I'm going to say if you compare it to this one right here, again, it's a bit bulky. It's also rather crude. Whereas this one, as you can see, for example, the capstan's actually separate parts. I'm not sure exactly where they are. That's the way they're on the trees yet. This is because I am, again, I just got this, and this is a scale, well, skill level of, I'd say, of 3 and up, which basically means rather moderate and quite intensive. But saying that though, I want to say, again, the detail of this one is actually rather nice. But saying that though, it also has a few flaws that I noticed. For example, if you look at the wing bridge up here, basically, it's impossible to get this looking right. It really is. I really hate these pieces right here. Now, and unfortunately, on this one, it's exactly the same. Yeah, but saying that though, the proof's in the pudding whether it actually comes out pretty right. Also as well, again, but obviously, as a anatomical detail, obviously, Olympic basically didn't have any closed, deck because it's original design, whereas the other two, the Titanic and Titanic, had it. Now, if you've tried to basically individually cut these out, I'll say leave the uprights in the right spacing. That is incredibly hard to do, and you know what? It is a ball ache. I've tried it. That's why I've gone. That's why this one I'm going with a Britannic rather than Olympic. Well, I say that's why, but it means I have to get some of these, I'm going to say 2 more of these in this scale, because I don't have the right scale. I actually don't have any scale with, let's say, that is, let's say 1 in 700. I have a few larger ones, obviously, but... Oh, this one's a bit of an older kit, but... Again, it's also very, very dusty. Again, I did this... Oh, when did I do this? This was about 20 years ago. As you can see, it's not holding it pretty well, but seeing that though, still, I'll say, I believe this is the 400 scale. Actually, just a bit of a size comparison here. Yeah, that's the 400. But even on this one, some of the details are crude, if not well, maybe it's just covered in dust more than anything else. Bloody hell. Yeah. Well, saying that though, as this one goes, again, saying that though, in my crude 10-year-old self trying to make this thing, well, I'd say and it's had bashings, it's been played with, I'd say by nieces and nephews, it's been attacked by the dog. Yeah, it's held up all right. Also, it's also with one. The railings had to be bent in hot water, so yeah. I'd say, luckily though, I've done a bit of research. At least you can actually buy accurizing kits for these two. I haven't found any so far for this, which is again quite annoying. But but saying that though, given time, they probably will get. They probably will find some. Or somebody will have the inclination to make some. But as I said, this, according to the box, this kit only came out in 2013, and I haven't heard a lot of reviews about it. If you look on YouTube, this is probably only the third review on it. Even on eBay, these are actually quite hard to find. Look, I managed to find one for, only £15, which is actually rather nice. Come to think of it, I believe I do have a Mauritania in the same scale. I believe. Let's have a look. Again, battered, bruised. No. Looks like those two in. Yeah, looks like those two in scale. Yeah. Obviously, and the little one here, basically the 1250. So you know what, this one's a joke. But saying that though, for a little representation, yeah, it's nice. Yeah, well, saying that though, hopefully I can do a little review on building this. Hopefully it'll be in better condition than these ones, because basically these ones are filthy, and it's got a load of building debris on him. Look at that one, the dust isn't even coming off this one. Bloody hell. Yeah. Oh, well, saying that though, we shall see. Right, ciao for now.